Hi, this is Cheryl here, and welcome to my channel. I am going to be using Novacan black patina to patina this abstract art piece. This is called Dark Water, and I am using just a throwaway dish from Jimmy Dean Breakfast and a Scruffy brush and my Novacan black patina, and simply going to apply it to this piece. This is the second part of finishing out the dark water abstract piece that I did in the previous video. If you missed it, I'll put a link at the top for you. Basically, it's simple as just brushing it on. You want to scrub it into all the little nooks and crannies, and prior to doing patina, you want to make sure your piece is good and cleaned and dry. And so that's part of the prep work. You might want to take a little steel wool and you want to make sure you get all of the flux out of the piece and clean up the lead work before you start your patina work. So it's just scrubbing it on as I am here, dipping my brush into the solution. I don't like to waste solution, so I don't like to pour it onto the piece. I'd rather apply it. Since this is a small piece, we can just apply it with the brush and it will get into all the little areas of my embellishments on this piece, so that everything gets covered with the patina and there'll be no more silver shining after I'm done with this. Just keep scrubbing it on is basically what I'm doing. Making sure I get down into and behind some of the embellishments that I put on the piece in the prior video. And as you see, it turns the silver of the solder almost instantly to black. This will work on both lead solder and lead-free solder. The copper patina will not work on lead-free solder. It has to have lead in it to react with the copper patina reacts with the lead in the solder, which is how it turns. So if you've tried to copper patina your pieces with the lead-free solder and had trouble, well, that's the reason. It needs to have lead in it. The black patina does not. It will work on both. So I'm doing my back side. This is a quick video. It's not very long. So hang in there with me. And we'll speed it up and go through this process quickly. And you'll see in the dish, it will eventually turn your patina in the dish like a brownish color. It's from the chemical reaction between the solder and the patina itself. So you can let it sit on there, but for me, it just instantly makes it black. So I don't usually let it sit too long. So now I'll take this and I'll rinse it off in the sink and dry it really well. Make sure it's really well and good and dry. And here it is as of now, as it is now. And I am going to buff this out. I'm going to take a red Scotch-Brite pad and gently, and I mean gently, you want to scrub the solder just to rub off the surface of the black, and it gives it this really cool antique look. I like it better than the solid black. It brings out all the little highlights of the embellishments and really finishes the piece off well. And you want to get down into all the nooks and crannies and just rub it lightly with the Scotch-Brite pad. And see what a difference it makes. So let me know in the comments whether you liked it plain with just the silver, or if you liked it black, or if you liked it brushed like this. I call this brushed look. Like a gunmetal gray kind of look. And deep down in the nooks and crannies, it still stays black, because you can't get down that far into it, which gives the piece a little depth, I think. Hang in there, and we'll fast speed this and finish up the back, and you'll see the finished product. Please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. If you have and you've come back, I appreciate you coming back to see my videos, and love to have you back. This piece will be for sale on my website, artbycherylann.com, as well as other pieces that are for sale. And my artworks, my paintworks, they're all up for sale on that artbycherylann.com. Stop in and visit. Send me a comment. And this is my dark water abstract glass work. Join me in my next video. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks.